I think I found the source of my problems when I fell. Look, this cut in the tire right here, which means this tire is no good. And it's possible that when I fell a couple of days ago, crossing what could become a yummy Yarborough, but right now it's still yucky Yarborough, crossing it, I might have cut on the edge of something. Let's see if I can get that. Okay, there we go. And it caused this crack. What can I? Okay, I'm gonna put my finger on it right there. It caused that crack, and it was just a matter of time before, at 100 psi, it's 4 or 5, 6 bar right in there. He quit on me. Okay, that I'm going to have to replace. I'm going to have to replace this tire. This tire is shot now. And it's possible it's shot because I have overstuffed it with putting the tire liner in. Right there is where that is. So I'm going to have to redo what I've done. But I have to have a new tire. Now, I'm going to go to Crazy Cat Airport. Get a new tire. Will I flat proof it? Who knows? I have to see what the tire's like. Kenda tires have been pretty good, but this one is very, looks bald to me, but I'm sure it's got some thickness in there in it somewhere. So that, I can't use this tire. Okay, now there we can see it much better. That's where the flat came in right there. And that matches it exactly. Matches it exactly, okay. So I need to go over to Crazy Cat and get a new tire.